Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Learn Basics. Today, we're tackling a frustratingly common problem: slow internet. Whether it's buffering videos, games, or slow downloads, slow internet can seriously impact our productivity and enjoyment. But fear not, because in this video, we'll go through a step-by-step guide to troubleshooting and fixing those pesky slow internet speeds. Troubleshooting slow internet, a comprehensive guide. Slow internet can be a major source of frustration, impacting everything from work productivity to entertainment. This comprehensive guide will walk you through a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving slow internet issues, covering everything from basic checks to more advanced troubleshooting techniques. Preliminary checks, the foundation of troubleshooting. Before diving into complex solutions, it's crucial to rule out the most common and easily fixable causes. The power cycle. This classic IT solution often works wonders. Restart your modem, router, and any devices experiencing slow internet. Computers, smartphones, etc. Unplug the power cables from both the modem and router. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in. Wait for it to establish a connection. Check the indicator lights, and then plug the router back in. Finally, restart your devices. The scope of the problem. Is the slow internet affecting all your devices or just one? If it's only one device, the problem likely lies with that specific device. If all devices are affected, the issue is probably with your network or internet provider. The speed test. Use a reliable speed test website, e.g. fast.com, speedtest.net, ookla.com. To check your internet speed, run the test multiple times throughout the day to get a more accurate picture. Compare the results to the speed you're paying for from your internet service provider, ISP. A significant difference indicates a potential problem. The outage check. Before assuming the worst, check if there's a service outage in your area. Visit your ISP's website or social media pages for outage notifications. You can also use third-party outage tracking websites. Isolating the culprit: device, network, or provider. Once you've completed the preliminary checks, it's time to pinpoint the source of the slow internet. The direct connection test. Connect your computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. If the internet speed is still slow, the problem likely resides with the modem, the ISP, or the cabling between your home and the ISP. If the speed is good, the issue is with your router or Wi-Fi network. The device. Swap test. If possible, test the internet connection on another device connected to the same network. If the second device has a good connection, while the first one is slow, the problem is isolated to the first device. The router light diagnosis. Your router has indicator lights that provide valuable information. Consult your router's manual to understand the meaning of different light patterns. They can often indicate connectivity issues, such as a problem with the internet connection or a malfunctioning router. Device-specific troubleshooting. If the slow internet is limited to a single device, try these steps. Resource hogging programs. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those known to consume bandwidth. Downloads, uploads, streaming, online games. Network driver update. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can significantly impact internet speed. Visit your computer manufacturer's website or the website for your network adapter to download and install the latest drivers. Malware scan. Malware infections can consume bandwidth and interfere with network performance. Run a full scan with your antivirus and anti-malware software. Browser check. Try using a different web browser. Sometimes, browser extensions, cached data, or outdated browser versions can cause slowdowns. Clear your browser's cache and cookies regularly. Operating system. Update. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches that can improve network connectivity. Router and Wi-Fi troubleshooting. If the problem lies with your router or Wi-Fi network, try these solutions. Optimal router placement. Position your router in a central, open location, free from obstructions like walls, large furniture, and metal objects. Elevated placement is often beneficial. Wi-Fi interference mitigation. Many household devices, such as microwave ovens, cordless phones, and Bluetooth devices, can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Try moving these devices away from your router. Wi-Fi channel optimization. If you live in a densely populated area with many Wi-Fi networks, there might be channel congestion. Your router settings allow you to change the Wi-Fi channel. Experiment with different channels to find one with less interference. Wi-Fi Analyzer apps can help you visualize channel usage. Router firmware. Update. Outdated router firmware can lead to performance issues and security vulnerabilities. Check your router manufacturer's website for firmware updates and follow the instructions to install them. Quality of service, QoS. Configuration. Some routers offer QoS settings that allow you to prioritize certain types of network traffic, such as video streaming or online gaming. If available, configure QoS to give priority to bandwidth-intensive applications. Router overheating. Check. Overheating can cause router malfunctions. Ensure your router has adequate ventilation and is not placed in a confined space. Chapter 7. Wi-Fi extender consideration. If you have a large home or areas with weak Wi-Fi coverage, consider using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. V Internet Service Provider, ISP. Troubleshooting. If you've exhausted all other options, the problem might be with your ISP. Contacting your ISP. Reach out to your ISP's customer support. They can check for network outages, equipment problems, or other issues on their end. Cable and connection. Check. Inspect the cables connecting your modem and router, as well as the cable coming into your home. Ensure they are securely plugged in and not damaged. Chapter 3. Technician visit. If your ISP cannot resolve the issue remotely, they might need to send a technician to your home to diagnose and fix the problem. 6. Advanced troubleshooting techniques. For more technical users, these advanced steps might be helpful. DNS server change. Try changing your DNS servers. Google Public DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 and Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 and 1.0.0.1 are popular alternatives to your ISP's DNS servers. MTU size. Adjustment incorrect MTU. Maximum transmission unit. Settings can sometimes cause slow internet. Research how to adjust the MTU size for your operating system. This is a more technical procedure and should be done carefully. Second, maintaining optimal internet performance. Beyond troubleshooting, these practices can help prevent future slow internet issues. Regularly restart devices. Periodically restarting your modem, router, and devices can help clear temporary glitches. Keep software updated. Ensure your operating system, browsers, and applications are up to date. Monitor network usage. Use network monitoring tools to identify bandwidth hogging applications. But secure your network. Use a strong Wi-Fi password and enable network security features to prevent unauthorized access. YE. Documentation and patience. Troubleshooting internet problems requires patience and a systematic approach. Keep a record of the steps you've taken and the results. This documentation will be invaluable if you need to escalate the issue to your ISP. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're unable to resolve the problem on your own.